again, it's Ashley from Southern Sewing Company. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am back to share another answer to a most asked question about how to hand embroider a swaddle blanket. So yesterday we talked all about hoop tension, and today I'm answering kind of a fun question that I receive all the time. Allie from Pinterest recently asked what the blue contraption is that I use to trace my names from. I get this all the time and it always makes me laugh, and it has a great story behind it too. Question number 2 that I get the most often is what this contraption is and where can they get it? This was a gift from Santa for my oldest daughter for Christmas one year. It is a tracing pad from Crayola. It is nothing special, but since I used it so much, she's pretty much let me keep it at this point. But this is one of my favorite things. For years and years, I would tape my names to windows and then put my stabilizer or heat and bond light over it and try to stand at the window and tape and trace, and it was a big pain. So she has since let me keep this and I use it every single day. It's one of my favorite products. If you feel the need to purchase this, I will leave a link in the description box below. If not, you can still use an open window or any source of light to trace onto your stabilizer or onto your heat and bond light. Thank you, Allie, for your question. I always love a good reminder of why my children are part of my business and why they're also part of my heart. So thank you for your question. If anyone else has any questions, please leave them below. I am more than happy to answer. And as I mentioned before, if you need to find the link for the hand embroidered swaddle tutorial, it's in the description box below. See you soon.